Realtor, we live in a world of learn, of study, of research, of read, of self-help, of motivation, of feel good, and all of those things are good. They're great things. There's nothing wrong with self-help. We need to be personally excellent. We need to grow. We need to read, we need to learn, we need to research. But here's the problem. We live in a culture that doesn't do a dang thing with any of that information. We invest in ourselves and we'll go to courses and we'll do this Tony Robbins event and we'll go to this virtual thing, and there's all these wonderful things that we become part of, and we'll buy this course and buy that course and we'll jump on the newest lead gen train and all of the things, but we don't do anything with it. We are not a culture of doing. So many of us, so many of you have got to stop ingesting and consuming content and ingesting and consuming research and knowledge, and you've just got to start doing. You've got to stop with the excuse of, I just need to read this, I need to learn that, if I'll just buy this, if I'll just try that, and you've just got to start doing something. We are a world, a society of not doing a dang thing. But those who are actually accomplishing their goals, those who are actually becoming successful, those who are living the life that they want to, they're doing something. They're not just sitting back all day reading and learning and watching videos, which is ironic because you're watching this video right now. But the people who are doing what they want, they're doing. I just said it, they're doing. They're picking up the phone and they're reaching out to that client. They're trying a new lead gen source. They're actually getting out in the community and developing relationships with people. They're actually posting valuable content on their social media. They're actually cold calling. They're actually doing a geo farm. They're actually running ads on Facebook that then drives them back into their CRM to set them up on a drip campaign. Whatever it is, they're doing something. There are doers, and there are those who are just talking about the things they want to do and are going to do. You can be one of two people. You can be the person that is pretending to be productive by doing all the reading and all the learning, and you seem like you're really busy, but you're not moving the needle forward and you're not going anywhere. Versus those who are actually productive and actually doing something to attain and achieve what it is they say they want to attain and achieve. It's completely up to you, but stop acting busy and start doing. Become a doer, which will actually help you attain the life that you want. And don't get me wrong, learning and studying, all of those things are important, researching, but there's a difference in pretending to be busy and actually being productive and moving the needle of your life forward. So bottom line, either do it or shut up. It's up to you.